This is a collaborative project. This is a project that involved partnership between the Port of Brownsville, Cameron County, the Cameron County Regional Mobility Authority, the Rio Grande Valley Metropolitan Planning Organization, and of course, the Texas Department of Transportation.
This was somewhat of a complex project, and as you drove in, you might have noticed, two structures over the wetlands, and that was not by mistake. That was designed that way. We probably wouldn't be here today. It probably would have been 5 years from now if we hadn't gone the route of including structures on this project. So keep in mind that this is the start of the overweight corridor designed to carry the max load of 120,000 pounds.
But I'm excited of what the future holds, and I'm thankful that we've got the strong relationship between the county and the port, and expanding the horizon and working with the other cities in the valley and other ports in Mexico.
Together with a common vision and this sustainable infrastructure will further the economic development opportunities not only for our region but throughout the valley. Certainly would like to thank the Port Commission again for their continued support and commitment to helping move this project and getting us to where we are today.
Our commitment to invest in infrastructure to enhance our region's mobility clear. We are literally paving the way on course, blazing the trails of future generations to accomplish the goals and desires of tomorrow.